Despite the devastation, Johnstown refused to vanish from the map. Over the next few years, the city was painstakingly rebuilt, its people determined to reclaim their home from the shadow of tragedy. Memorials were erected, and each year, on the anniversary of the flood, the community would gather to honor those lost. The story of the Johnstown Flood would live on as both a warning of human negligence and a testament to the endurance of the human spirit. By the time the last debris was cleared, the Johnstown Flood had left behind not just physical scars, but a legacy etched into the nation's memory, a reminder of the day when water, fire, and human failure combined to bring unimaginable destruction to a single valley.